Hey everyone, Ryan with 9-month college grad, and today's video is for a very specific type of person, and that is someone, number one, who wants to earn their college degree much faster, and number two, someone who has a friend or a family member or a relative or anyone who also wants to get a college degree. So maybe you're a parent with a child who's recently graduated high school. Maybe you're somebody with a partner or a spouse who also wants to get a college degree. I want to share a trick that can help you earn your college degree a lot faster. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name's Ryan Swayt. I earned an entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. And I did that by skipping all of the fluff that colleges and universities make us go through. Okay? They tell us to do homework. They tell us to take pop quizzes and read from textbooks and all of this stuff that is actually not necessary to learn the material we need to learn, okay? So essentially, there is a process called degree hacking where you can find out what's going to be on the test, study for the test, take the test, pass the class, okay? It's a process that I'd be more than happy to teach you in another video. But for those of you who have somebody in your life that also wants a college degree, here is my little hack that can save you loads and loads of time in earning your college degree faster. And that is work together with a partner or a family member or somebody who wants to get their degree as well. Now, as I said, there's a process you can follow where you study for tests and take tests. Now, think about way back in the day, maybe you were in high school, when you have a study buddy. Let's say you were assigned a class project, and you would essentially, the fastest way to do it, if you're into getting it done faster, the fastest way to do it was to say, okay, you take this half, I'll take this half, and then we'll teach each other what we learned, right? You can literally do the same thing in college, okay? All right, you take this math class, I'll take this science class, and then let's teach each other everything we learned. Let's share notes, let's share flashcards, and boom, you get it done way faster, okay? It sounds like a simple thing, right? In college, you constantly are finding friends and things to share notes with and to collaborate with. If you find somebody that's getting the same type of degree with you and you're willing to work together, you can dramatically reduce your study time. And I'm serious. You say, okay, you study this, I study this, then we'll each pass the class, we'll each pass each of our classes, and then we'll switch notes and we'll tell each other, okay, you need to learn this, this, and this, and when you get tested, this is something that's kind of a trick question. Whatever it is, you communicate with each other and you help each other. And if you do that, you can save literally months and months of time. Okay. Like I said, I teach people how to earn college degrees faster. I earned my entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. No, I didn't have a study companion like I'm talking about in this video, but if I did, I would have been able to graduate even faster. If you would like to learn my process that I call degree hacking, and it's basically my process that allowed me to earn an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months. If you'd like to learn that process, just go to diplomasecrets.com, and there's an absolutely free training that will walk you through my step-by-step process that helped me earn my college degree much faster. And guess what? There's nothing for sale at the end of the video. So just go to diplomasecrets.com and you can watch the training for free. And I hope this video has helped. I know it sounds simple. I know it sounds too easy to actually help. But if you use this principle, you will graduate faster. I promise. And yeah, I can't wait to talk to you in the next video.